Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to check if someone reads your message in a WhatsApp group. Firstly, open the WhatsApp app on your device. I'm using an iPhone, but you can follow the same steps on an Android device as well. Next, navigate to the group message where you send the message you want to check. Scroll up in the chat until you find the message you're interested in. Once you've located it, simply swipe left on the message with your finger. You will see an option for info appear. Tap on it. In the message info section, you will see a list of all the group members who have read the message, along with the exact date and time they read it. This information allows you to know who has seen your message, even if they haven't responded to it. It's important to know that you can only check the read status of your messages in group chats. You won't be able to see the read status of messages sent by other group members. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.